Got a great new vehicle here for sale in a market that's hard to find vehicles. So take a look at this. You're going to want to make an offer right away on it. We got a 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan, 88,000 miles, super low mileage. We did some work to it. We've got engine and cabin air filters in it. We got brand new spark plugs. So maintenance, well kept up. We got new stuff in there, so it's gonna last you. We got new rear brakes, pads and rotors, come with our 3-year, 36,000 mile parts and labor warranty, and we recharge the AC ice cold for you. 3.6 liter engine, nice black color. It's got full third row seating. You can come around here, I'll start it up. Starts up great. Everything works in here. AC again, heat's good. Let's take a walk here, look at the back. So we've got sliding doors on both sides. We've got our third row seating, which is always nice. Plenty of space. In low mileage, 88,000 miles, we've got options for you for financing and extended warranties. If you want to get your drivetrain covered, transmission and engine, if you want to get more coverage, we've got the options for you. Plenty of trunk space here. Again, great vehicle, 3.6 liter V6 2015 Dodge Caravan. We got it at $12,999. Great deal. Come on over, make an offer before it's gone here. Carz R Us in Machesney Park.
877-4277